Making Vietnamese crepes, also known as banh. I think that's how you pronounce it, banh. I grew up white, leave me alone. Bit of rice flour, good amount. A little bit of cornstarch. And do a little coconut milk. And Coco Rico. This one has pulp, so I'm just gonna strain out the pulp. And then some turmeric for color. We don't want a thick batter, we want kind of like a watery batter. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more Coco Rico probably. If you don't have Coco Rico, I've done a mix of coconut water and seltzer water or Sprite, or you could use beer. Have a bunch of green onion. So for ingredients, we have shrimp, onions, pork. Gonna add a little mushroom bouillon to the shrimp. And then a little salt and pepper to the pork. We need 2 pans. Let's get them really hot. Non-sticks. Bean sprout to top. Neutral oil on the pan. A little shrimp, a little pork, a little onion. Batter. So based off how the batter is spreading around, it might be a little thick. I'm gonna put in the rest of this Coco Rico, and that should be good for next time. Yeah, much better. Cover for like 3 minutes. And here we have some lettuce, bean sprouts. These look amazing. And then we're just gonna do like maybe 6 of these. Here's what it looks like, having the fish sauce with it. And I eat mine with rice paper. Quick dunk. Little lettuce, nice piece. Roll, tuck, roll more. Looks good. Take a dip. Big bite. So good. I'm gonna go finish this. Goodbye.